Good morning, champs. Today we learn how to construct Möbius transformations from 3 points. We want a function such that f of 0 equals 0, f of 1 equals 1, and f of infinity equals infinity. The key idea is that a Möbius transformation is completely determined by 3 points. So if we match 3 points correctly, we determine the whole function. We start with the general form f of z equals az plus b divided by cz plus d. Now we plug in the conditions. First, f of 0 equals 0. That gives b divided by d equals 0, so b must be 0. Next, we use f of infinity equals infinity. For large z, the function behaves like a over c. So, for the result to go to infinity, c must be 0. Now the function simplifies to az divided by d. Finally, we use f of 1 equals 1. That gives a over d equals 1. So, a equals d. So the function becomes f of z equals z. This is the identity transformation. It leaves every point unchanged. This example shows how 3-point mapping works. We plug in the conditions, solve step by step, and simplify. In the next video, we will look at a non-trivial example where the points actually move.